Hazrat Ali described about the arrogance as Ajibto li ibn Adama awwalahu nutfatun wa akhiruhu jifatun. I wonder about the son of Adam, whose beginning is a sperm and end is dead. وَهُوَ قَائِمٌ بَيْنَهُمَا ثُمَّ يَتَكَبَّرُ. He is between these two states and still arrogant. He further said, he whose thinking power is weak, his pride is high. Arrogance lowers a person's status. There are four kinds of arrogance. Sukru sukrat, addiction to substances. Sukrul mal, addiction to wealth. Sukrul nom, addiction to sleep. Wasukul mulk, addiction to power. But the most dangerous addiction is arrogance. Such person destroys the world and the hereafter and doesn't regain consciousness from this addiction quickly. He mentioned when the ignoble gets respect, then his behavior with the creature is spoiled, whereas when the magnanimous gets respect, he bows down and his ethics improves. Hazrat Ali further said, a wise man avoids to meet a proud man, and talking arrogantly to arrogant people is exactly like tolerance. He further said, Laysa li mutakabbirin siddiqun. An arrogant person has no true friend. A person asked Hazrat Ali, what is the treatment of arrogance? He replied, if you want to get rid of arrogance, then get into the habit of taking the initiative in saying salam.